Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we're going to have a look at how you can troubleshoot a malfunctioning fuel pump. The fuel pump is a crucial component of an internal combustion engine's fuel system. Its primary function is to deliver fuel from the gas tank to the engine at the correct pressure to ensure efficient combustion. Without a properly functioning fuel pump, an engine might not start or run smoothly. Now let's have a look at what you can do in order to troubleshoot a malfunctioning electrical fuel pump. First, check the fuel pump fuse. Locate the fuse box and check for a blown fuse. If you find that the fuel pump fuse is not functioning or if it is blown, replace it. Second, listen for the fuel pump. Now the very easy way of diagnosing a malfunctioning fuel pump is turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. Then you should hear a faint humming noise from the fuel tank, indicating the fuel pump is working. If there is no sound, the pump might be faulty. The third option is to check for the fuel pressure. This requires installing a fuel pressure gauge and then use the fuel pressure gauge to measure the pressure in the fuel system. Compare the readings of the fuel pressure to your vehicle's fuel pressure specification. Fourth, also don't forget to inspect the fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter can mimic pump failure. Replace the fuel filter if it is extremely dirty or if it is blocked. If the fuel filter is not allowing the fuel to pass, then the fuel pump might be working fine, but the fuel might not be reaching to the fuel system. And also don't forget to examine electrical connections. Ensure all wiring and connections to the fuel pump are secure and or are free from corrosion. Don't forget to test the relay as well. Some fuel pumps are operated by a fuel pump relay, so swap the fuel pump relay with a similar one in the fuse box to see if the fuel pump activates or not. And finally, check for diagnostic trouble codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for any error codes related to the fuel system. If you are not comfortable performing these checks or the issue persists, then it might be time to consult a professional mechanic. Well, these are some of the things that you can do in order to troubleshoot a malfunctioning fuel pump. That is all we have for you in this video. If you like what has been presented, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.